WP-5141, Windows Embedded Programmable Automation Controller. The WinPAC5000 series is the new generation PAC, Programmable Automation Controller. It has many advantages including hard real-time capability, small core size, fast boot speed, interrupt handling at a deeper level, achievable deterministic control, and low cost. Using Windows CE.NET 5.0 gives it the ability to run PC-based control software such as Visual Basic.NET, SCADA software, SoftPLC, and more. It gives users all the best features of both traditional PLCs and Windows-capable PCs. For hardware expansion, it also supports an I/O expansion bus. The I/O expansion bus can be used to implement various I/O functions. Nearly all kinds of I/O functions can be implemented by this bus, but the bus can only support one board. There are more than 10 boards available for the WinPAC5000 series. Users can choose one of them to expand hardware features. There are 10 different I/O combinations of XV boards, but only one can be installed. For additional I/O, the user can use remote I/O modules. Users can connect Modbus Fate Remote I/O over to Ethernet or RS485 bus. ICP-USA has customers using these modules in metro rail stations with trains. They are being used to gather information like the location of the trains, the status, battery information, temperature, and power information. They are using them for a wide range of Modbus data acquisition modules. The WP-5141 can also be used with XV boards. This WinPAC has no I/O slots, but is very similar in being used for HVAC systems. HVAC systems can save energy with automation, scheduling, and monitoring features. Our smart power meters and digital I/O modules for controlling lighting and getting power consumption information is perfect for this. We provide free data logging software that can be used with the WP-5141 called eLogger. The free version supports up to 50 tags, and additional versions are available for larger systems. The WP-5141 has a web server inside, so the eLogger program can set up so it can be accessed through a web page. ICP-USA has large inventory and can ship same day, low lead times usually up to 1 week for out-of-stock items, free technical support, provide application engineering and can specify products for the applications, free demo programs to help speed up the application development, and very reliable and robust industrial solutions. To learn more about the WP-5141 and our WinPAC series, visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.